Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the drive assembly on a Dyson stick vacuum motor head. If your brush bar is no longer turning due to the gears no longer working, then they will need to be replaced. Always work safely. Disconnect the appliance before you start the repair. I'm going to disconnect the motor head from the wand and move the vacuum and wand out of the way. I now need to remove the brush bar from the motor head. To do so, just follow the instructions on the side using a flat-headed screwdriver or a coin, put it in the slot and turn until the end cap pops off. I can then lift up the brush bar and take away. Then I need to remove the guard at the bottom of the motor head here. Very similar instructions to removing the brush bar, but for this, because it's so small, I will use a flat-headed screwdriver to turn, to unlock, and then lift the guard away. I now need to remove this cover by undoing two screws, one here and one inside here, using a very small Torx head screwdriver. Next, I need to unscrew 5 screws, 4 short ones and 1 long one, to disengage the upper housing. To separate the upper housing from the lower housing, just use your fingers to prise apart gently the left-hand side as you look at it from the top and the far right side of it before using a thin card to wedge between the upper and the lower to disengage a catch that holds it together. If you don't use this card to disengage that catch, you could break the upper housing. Lift off the upper housing, and here we have the drive assembly. Remove the clear cover of the brush bar before taking off the electrical connections, lifting away the old drive assembly and replacing it with your new one. Refit your electrical connections, replace the clear plastic brush bar cover and then the upper housing. Replace the 4 short screws and your 1 long one. Replace the cover and the 2 screws. To refit the guard, make sure that the groove at the end just fits into the hole in the housing there. Then use your screwdriver to simply lock it into place. 2 different ends of the brush bar, cap end and the drive assembly end, so just make sure you're putting the right end in, push it all the way down until it fits over, and then you can refit the end cap. Lock it into position using your coin. Make sure it's firmly in. Refit your motor head and give it a test. So there we have it. 1 new drive assembly fitted to the motor head of this Dyson stick vacuum. Give this video a thumbs up if we've helped you and subscribe for more handy how-to videos. Find all the spares and accessories you will ever need on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.